Bless up my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing of people. Well, people, I don't know we are in the year of 2020 now. We understand today is the 1st of January 2020. And people, we see we are last year in 2019 where there are so much incident where motorcycle has taken life of so much young Jamaicans and even elder Jamaicans to people. And you think they do even do a vlog and where we are ball out to people and ball out to the youth themselves and leave the bike thing alone. Well, people, just to close off the year of 2019, people, one of the latest bike accident took place on Monday, people, and them say at about 10 something in the morning, people. This young man who is originally from Westmoreland, people, was riding his bike in St. Elizabeth and the Clapham Main Road, people, when his bike lost control and collided in a tree, people. He sustained several injuries and was rushed to the hospital, and from there he was pronounced dead. And people who know this young man, people, who is just 20 years old, they are balling out, them a cry out, so they can't believe he has gone, people. You know what I mean? Many people, and it just sad, people, if you know, because when you link, as I tell you, them so wanna leave the bike them alone, leave this yang thing alone, leave this RR alone, leave this 1000, leave this whole 50, leave anybody. You understand, people? We know say car can people, we know say truck can kill people, we know say bus can kill people, we know van, anything can kill people. But in the end, people, the bikes, the motorcycle them is so dangerous. We see how much life these motorcyclists claim, people. And the saddest thing about it, people, on Monday there was also an accident that took place in St. Ann again in Discovery Bay, and that was close to where the accident they took place, where 4 persons has lost their life, where 3 females, including the driver and male, also died, people, understand? And we see where now another accident has happened close by, where a passenger was traveling with the driver when the car collided in a wall, people. Both of them was rushed to the hospital, where the passenger, you know what I mean, him drop out, and next thing the driver is there, people, under treatment. Same way, but all my cancer, people, the man them, you have to just be careful. Be careful of the bike them, please. When leave the bike, never say be careful of them, you know. When leave the dirty bike them alone, honestly. You know, link telling the youth, we know say enough time people who have this talk and them say, yeah, we're not for dead. But me I tell you now, with the bike thing, me feel say, if you don't leave it alone, I'm not dead enough for dead, man. You can't live longer. You don't know the thing of people. We don't want to see them more youth are dead from them motorcycle people. It's just sad and terrible. And for this young man, people, so much people love him. So much people say them can't believe he's gone, people. So much love a poor road for him. But in the end, viewers and subscribers just sees and he knows what's best. So you don't know the thing of people. This is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say attack.